Now one more thing is pending. What? That we have to take the component of the acceleration of the wedge also, because the block is moving relative to the wedge, as we did in the first half. Morning half में जो किए थे ना, बिल्कुल ditto same thing we are doing only. There is hardly any change. This is theta. This is a cos theta. This is a sin theta. Correct? Now, force equation for the block. So first I'm going to write force equation for the block. Okay, all right. Yes, Akash, tell me.
सर वेज के लिए एक्सेलरेशन तो ए ही लेंगे ना, बस उसको कंपोनेंट
बिल्कुल
वाला
नहीं 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 नहीं. So first is for the block along the wedge surface. Bhanu, tell me.
Sir, once scroll up, sir.
Scroll up, huh? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now along the wedge surface, what is the equation? Only one force is acting. That is mg sin theta. Correct? That is equal to mass into, what is acceleration? Small a minus capital A cos theta. This I told in the morning itself. I hope you remember. Yes, Joshika, tell me.
Sir, why not take components for N acting on block M?
No, you try to understand. We are analyzing the motion of the block along the wedge surface because it is accelerating along the wedge surface, right? So that is why I am taking this as x direction.
Oh, sir, but you put X and Y in the normal only, right?
That
here.
is for the wedge.
Oh, okay.
Understood?
Okay,
So
sir.
if I will show you, then there will be no ambiguity. This is the coordinate for the block. Is that okay now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Okay, fine. Chalo. So next, along perpendicular to the wedge surface, by perpendicular to the wedge surface is how much? Downward force is mg cos theta minus upward normal action n is equal to mass into acceleration. This also we did in the first half. Both these equations are done in the first half. Okay, is that clear? Respond everyone. Akash.
सर प्लस एन कॉस थीटा भी तो आएगा ना सर?
किसके लिए, किस खुशी में बे?
सर वो
we are doing for the block, not for the wedge.
ओके सर.
Okay, this is exclusively for the block. These two equations I have written for the block. Okay na? Yes. Now I am going to write for the wedge. So next, force equation for the wedge. Tell me now, what is going to be the force equation for the wedge? Look at the diagram and tell me. Along x direction, what can I write? Chalo everyone, come on. What can I write along x? Tell me. Along x, how many forces are acting? Only one force is acting. Only one. How much is that? N sin theta. that is equal to capital M into capital A. This is equation number 3. Refer the diagram. Right now, Akshari.
Sir, why can't we take negative, minus sign, sir? It is moving along minus
Akshari,
x-axis.
then on both the
This
direction,
side.
no, on both the direction minus will come, na? Force is also along negative direction. Acceleration is also along negative direction.
Okay, sir.
Correct. So minus minus will cancel. Correct, no?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right. Chalo. Along y direction. Pujita, tell me.
Sir,
Tell me.
in second equation, acceleration minus a sin theta, no sir.
Which one?
Negative. Second equation.
Again, you check. Force is also in the negative direction only, na?
Hmm?
Force. Net force. Net force is in that direction. Acceleration also is in that direction. So minus minus will cancel off, na? From both the sides.
Okay.
Understood or not?
Sir,
What is the net force direction, you tell me? The block is coming down or up?
down.
Down. So net force is in the downward direction.
Yes, sir.
Acceleration also downward direction.
Yes, sir.
Khatam. So both are negative. Both side negative will be gone.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right.
Hmm.
Fine. And moreover, remember, you don't have to have that much confusion because we have to check whether acceleration is in the direction of the force or not. If it is in the direction of the force, whatever may be, plus sign will be used. Chalo. Now tell me along y direction. What is the situation? Only one force along positive y. How much is that? N1. Right? Only one force. N1. What are the other forces? Capital Mg is there. Any other force? Yes. N cos theta is there. This is equation number 4. Okay. Anyone having any doubt regarding this, feel free to go for it. Please ask the doubt. Don't hesitate. Yogananda?
Sir, will capital A will be mg sin theta cos theta by m plus small m sin square theta?
Correct. Correct. Very good. Capital A is coming to be mg sin theta cos theta by small m, capital M plus small m sin square theta. Absolutely perfect. And small a we will get capital M plus small m into g sin theta divided by capital M plus small m sin square theta. These two are the ultimate answers. Okay, fine, very good. Chalo yaar, everybody check any emotion, pain, frustration, anger, anguish, aspirations, frustration. Feel free to express. Shruti Kanna.
Sir, once how you got equation 1, sir?
Eh?
Equation 1, how you got answer, sir?
Equation 1, how I got in the morning only.
Morning.
Yeah. What is the force acting on the block in the downward direction? Mg sin
Mg
theta.
sin.
That
Okay.
is equal to mass into acceleration, right?
Yes,
Now you are observing the motion from where? From the ground only, no?
sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So relative to the wedge, acceleration is A. Wedge is moving back with A cos theta. So what is the acceleration with respect to ground? A minus A cos theta.
Yes, sir.
Now you got it?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, fine. Akshari?
Sir, along y direction, we should only consider net force, na? No MA.
Acceleration
Force.
is not there, na? You check. Wedge is accelerating along x only. So there is
Okay,
no
sir.
acceleration along y.
Sir, understood. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Yoshika?
Sir, if they give acceleration with respect to the ground, acceleration of the block, we don't have to like divide it into components.
Yes. And DR, don't expect they will give it, because then it will be easy for you, na? How they can give?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Yes, if they give with respect to ground, it will be much easier. Mr. Pushkar Kale?
सर एक्स कंपोनेंट में वो थर्ड इक्वेशन कैसे आया सर इन
Third
साइन
equation
थीटा
कैसे आया? See, only one force is acting in the x direction on the wedge.
सर खाली ब्लॉक का निकालना है क्या?
खाली अबे लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे वेज का.
हाँ हाँ बराबर सर बराबर.
किसके बारे में सोच रहा है बे?
किसके नहीं सर?
कुछ तो गड़बड़ लग रहा है भाई. 2 दिन से बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं है पढ़ाई पे, उल्टा सीधा बोल रहा है.
सर समझ रहा नहीं है सर.
ये सब. योगानंदा?
I forgot to lower my hand.
Okay, Yogananda, fine, no problem. अरे यार, this is okay ना for everyone? Please respond यार. Enough discussion on this. You people are good enough to tackle all these kind of nonsense questions. क्या है इसमें? खाली कैलकुलेशन से और कुछ नहीं है. चलो. Let's see my rock stars. Let's see now. Now let's see. Let's see. What to see? Many things will be seen. Chalo. My toppers. Come on. Forget about the questions that is being given. I am not bothered about the questions. I just only need 2 things. Forces, force equations. That's it. Akash bhai. Pritam?
Sir, M2 is going down or it is coming up, sir?
Going down, obviously. Yogananda? Okay. So you take that this is going down with acceleration small a. So this block will also move with acceleration small a. Wedge will move back with acceleration capital A. Right now? Fine. And we can figure out the direction of tension also. For the block, it is in this direction T. For the pulley or the wedge, it is in that direction. That direction. For this block, again in this direction. So what is the downward force? M2g sine theta. In that direction, M2g cos theta. This is N2. Downward direction M1g. Upward direction N1. Correct? So then we have to analyze for this wedge also. Okay, do it. I will give some time to you. Do it. Anyone? Anyone with the force equations, please? Yes. More or less correct. Yes. Yes, Chakradhar. Okay. Good, dear. Fine. Chalo. I will write now. See, for M1 we can write here only. For M1, it is very simple. T is equal to M1 into A, equation number 1, and N1 is equal to M1 into G, equation number 2. ठीक है ना पुष्कर? अगर ऐसा होता है कितना मजा आता है यार लिखने में. Shashi, tell me.
Sir, M1 and M2 accelerations both are same.
Yeah, they're connected by a rope, na? It has to be same.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now for M2. For M2, here now I am doing directly because I think I can do it directly now. M2 G sin theta minus T is equal to M2 into A minus capital A cos theta. This is equation number 3. कोई शक? Any doubt? What is the other equation? Perpendicular direction. M2G cos theta minus N2 is equal to M2A sin theta. Equation number 4. Is that okay? Clear, everyone? All right. Any doubt, please? No doubt, na? Correct. Now let us write for M3. Now this one we need diagram. Yes, please. Yeah. For this one we need diagram. Check. So I request everyone to watch out carefully. This is theta. So in this direction you will have, let us say this is N1. Correct only, no? No, N1, N3. N3. Downward direction, M3 into G. Correct? In this direction, N2. So this is N2 sin theta. This is N2 cos theta, as this is also theta. Okay, wait, hang on. One more thing is that twist is there in the story. Pulley is there. Can you see? Hai? So for the pulley, what is the direction of tension? One tension is in this direction, another is in this direction. All right. So this will be theta. This is going to be T cos theta. Downwards, it is going to be T sin theta. Acceleration in this direction to be capital A. Identify. Is there any other force? Did I miss out anything? Check, everyone. Pakka no? Clear? So now, along x, what is going to be the equation? N2 sin theta plus T minus T cos theta is equal to M3 into capital A. Equation number 5. Okay? Correct? Along y, N3 is equal to M3G plus N2 cos theta plus T sin theta. Equation number 6. That's it. बोल पुष्कर.
सर थोड़ा बराबर आ गया, थोड़ा गलत चला गया.
मतलब
सर मतलब एक दो इक्वेशन बराबर है, बाकी गलत है.
कहाँ पे गलत है उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना.
सर वो x और y का गलत गया along x axis and y axis. और दूसरा
See, take it very simple. I'm telling you. When you are going to do along x and y axis, तो ऐसे करना भाई. सबसे बेस्ट तरीका मैं बताता हूँ. और भी इसको क्रंच डाउन करो. Make it more shorter. You take this as a point mass. मान ले भाई ये M3 point mass है. So in M3 पहले यहाँ पे लिख, डायग्राम में नोटिस कर, ढूंढ ढूंढ के पता करो. Search and write down the forces. क्या फोर्स है? T है. What is the other force? प्लस और क्या यहाँ पे N2 sin theta है.
हाँ सर.
Backward force is what? T cos theta. What is the acceleration in this direction? A. Now write ना भाई. Net force equal to mass into acceleration.
हाँ सर.
समझ
सर
में आया?
वो पुली कंसीडर करना भूल गया सर.
चुप रहे, इधर देख. Along same y direction में point particle. What is the force? N3 in the upward direction. बाकी all remaining force in the downward direction you check.
हाँ.
M3G,
M3G,
N2 cos theta or T sin theta. Is there any acceleration along y? Zero है ना?
हाँ.
So this force must be equal to the sum of these forces. Correct. If you are getting much trouble, then my suggestion is that once after identifying the forces, take them as a point mass and note down the forces separately. ठीक है?
Okay sir. हाँ sir.
Okay. Cherry?
Thank you sir.
Sir, it's fine.
Okay. Vignesh Mama?
Sir, scroll up.
Okay, fine. Wait. Akash?
सर आप जब ब्लॉक का फाइंड करते हैं, इक्वेशन बनाते हैं, तो उस वक्त आप इतना जल्दी कैसे लिख देते हैं उसका एक्सेलरेशन क्या है वेज का, जिसकी वजह से जो उस पे इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है?
क्योंकि मैं टीचर हूँ.
सर कोई ट्रिक है क्या?
कुछ ट्रिक नहीं है, प्रैक्टिस से आता है बस.
ओके सर.
Sir, why didn't separate angle capital A but separate angles capital A like A cos theta, A sin theta? Because the block is moving along the wedge surface. Now, since the block acceleration is given related to the wedge surface, so it is. Acha, chalo, I will give you one example. Very simple example you take. Suppose, let us do one thing. There is a platform. Try to understand. It has wheel. On this platform, you are standing. You are running in this direction with acceleration A0. And the platform is moving back with acceleration capital A. So if there is a person standing on the ground, what you will observe? With what acceleration you are moving actually? What you will observe? You will observe A0 minus A. Right? If there is an observer on the platform, what you will observe? You will observe A0 only. That's it, Babu. This is the idea. Clear now? Did you get it? Is the concept clear now? Yeah, all right. Fine. Chalo, one more we will do quickly. Motivation for exam, huh? See, I mean, there is nothing to tell in this chapter. All you have to do, you have to develop accuracy. That's it. I'm not expecting marks from anyone. I'm telling it very frankly. I'm not expecting marks from anyone. I'm just expecting accuracy. Ki whatever you know, whatever you have learned, so that you are in a position to execute it perfectly. That's all I want. I do not have any other demand. Right? So, I mean, I'm not demanding that you have to get like 80%, this percentage, that percentage. No, I am not interested for any percentage of marks at all for this week. This week it should be completely for accuracy. Okay, now just hold on for a second, let me fetch it. Somewhere it's not coming. Yeah, okay. And if you want to write for this one, then you take this as n naught, downward is m naught into g, and the normal direction will give an effect over this. This is n. So it will also have two components which you already know, like this. Okay, I hope you can do it now. Is that clear? You people can solve it. Yeah. All right, fine. Yes. Okay. Yes, Divit?
We have to consider Pule also, sir. T cos theta, T sin theta.
Yes, obviously.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You have to take them component, no? Because that is the force acting on the wedge, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. So in this direction also you will have, this will be theta. So this is T cos theta. In the downward direction you will have T sin theta. Okay, I hope it's clear now for everyone. Right now? Akash, tell me.
सर वेज पे एक्सेलरेशन नहीं है तो वो रेस्ट पे रहेगा, मतलब कि उसका इक्वेशन बनेगा तो वो जीरो हो जाएगा ना, इक्वल.
Right. Along x direction, net leftward force equal to net rightward force. Along y direction, net upward force equal to net downward force. That's it. Okay.
Thank you.
Vignesh Mama, okay. Complete afternoon session you slept. I saw. Pakka na? Bhanu?
Sir, I am getting 1:4.
Check the calculation one dear, na? It is coming, it will come 1:5.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Chalo. Bye bye everyone. Bye. All the very best for the exam. Okay. Don't worry, it will be very good. Don't worry. Shashi?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. If it is written that find m by m, means capital M by small m, no, sir?
Yes.
And small m is 5 times of capital M.
Yes.
So how capital M is moving down, sir? It should move upside.
It doesn't matter in that way, na? The component of the force will decide everything.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Okay. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye.